relationship is clear.
Am, mine, yours, his, hers. Clickety-clack, say the words. And ours, theirs, whose can it be? Ride the train and learn with me. Who does it belong to? Now we can say. Possessive pronouns lead the way.
First car says I belong to you. That word is yours, shiny and new. Next car rolls with